Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to send high quality images and videos on WhatsApp. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your phone and then go ahead and select a person or group you want to send the image or video to. After selecting the group or contact, go ahead and prepare your media. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Photos in order to choose an existing photo that you want to send. You can also choose camera and take a picture or video from your camera right away. I'm just going to select an existing clip. After choosing the clip, tap on the HD button at the top right section of the screen. After choosing the HD option at the top right corner, go ahead and send the video by tapping on the send button at the bottom right corner. You will then be able to send high quality video on WhatsApp. Always choose the video or photo that is of high quality, and after you follow this step, you will be able to get the finest quality shared to your friends and family. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.